San Diego panel tripping repeatedly? Stop adding load and do not approve a replacement until the electrician documents the fault, load calculation, permit path, and inspection. If the panel is hot, buzzing, smoking, arcing, or smells burned, keep away and contact emergency authorities or the utility as appropriate. Otherwise, leave the cover closed, unplug the newest heavy load, and write down which breaker and appliances were involved. Ask a qualified electrician to inspect connections, breaker condition, heat patterns, grounding and bonding, service conductors, and the affected circuit. Request measured findings and a load calculation that includes air conditioning, cooking, vehicle charging, solar, batteries, and plant additions. San Diego requires an electrical permit for installation, alteration, addition, or replacement of electrical equipment. The city distinguishes simple no-plan permits from plan-required work, so ask the contractor to identify the exact record type before work starts. The city's current permit bulletin lists panel replacement or upgrade up to 200 amps among simple permit items, but property type, historic status, and the full scope can change the path. Older or historically designated properties may need additional review. Verify the contractor's California license status, ask who coordinates any utility disconnect and reconnection, and require the permit number, panel schedule, labeling, grounding scope, surge protection decision, and final inspection result in writing. To locate an electrical service provider, call 877-320-4994. Again, that is 877-320-4994. This service connects callers with independent local providers. Availability varies by location.